Hey guys, Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. Pretty excited to show you a monster heavy haul. 23 model Kenworth W900, X15 605, 18 speed, 20 fronts, 52 rears. Gonna do a full walk around, show you what this thing looks like. Really cool. If you need a heavy tandem, this is it. It's only got 40,000 miles on it. Let's get started. Really cool paint scheme on it. Seminole red and black. Frame to match. 4 1/4 floats. Dual steering gearboxes. I've also got a tri-axle that's very similar to this too. Same paint scheme, same heaviness. So if you need a pair of heavy hauls, this heavy tandem and a tri-axle, definitely let me know. What a headache rack. Light bar, it's got everything that you need, wet kit. Double frame, you can see. Really not used much at all. Longer slide on it. Like I said, the 52 rears, disc brakes. Not a whole lot that you can't love about this truck. Just enough of a sleeper if you need it, or just put some extra equipment or whatever you need to haul around with. So this one got a smart wheel as well. There's your 40,000 miles, 1,200 hours. Everything's revving up the way it should. Sounds good through the RPMs. Oil pressure's good. Appreciate you guys watching. If you got questions on this or anything else that I've got, or want to see the tri-axle, definitely hit me up. Let me know. 901-896-4526 or email to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.